Right, so what we've got going on here at the moment is torrential rain, and these 3 windows have been the bane of my life, a bit like the other 3 windows, and not a drop is coming through there. However, that window I haven't fixed has got a little drip coming through, and today when I was cleaning the outside, I think I breached some of the fiberglass, and here, look at this, you can see that that's coming from about here. So I've got to check the resin tomorrow, which is up there, and see which part is breached. Now that used to happen all the way along there, and all the way along there, and all the way round, and that doesn't happen anymore. And the other thing is, sorry, Graham's enjoying Rambo, watching Rambo First Blood. Just look, I'll put the light on, and then you can see this. This is awesome. Guys, remember the waterfall here? That's not happening anymore. Now, here's the new windows. Now, there's a bit of a patch there. And that's, oh God, that's actually caught on a nail. That's coming from... Do you know what, Graham? I'm not sure that is... Oh yeah, it is coming from above. It is, I can see. There's water above the window, which is obviously coming around the window and leaking there. So I'll have to fix above there. That one, oh, it's so cosy. It's just marvellous not to...
No water feature running down the wall anymore.
No water feature running down the wall anymore. Yes, no waterfall in the middle of the living room. No waterfall on the bed. And no waterfall all over the kitchen. It's really rather marvellous. Of course, I haven't fixed that side of the boat yet. Just that little drip. Just that one. You see, running a hose over the boat, I can simulate rain, but you'll never get it like rain. You've got to get it to absolutely tip down, and that's how you find it. And I'll find it.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain.